Meet the pistol shrimp, a tiny marine marvel with a superpower. It can create underwater sonic booms to hunt its prey. When the pistol shrimp snaps its oversized claw shut, it shoots out a jet of water at up to 60 miles per hour. This rapid movement generates a low-pressure bubble that quickly collapses, producing a shockwave louder than a gunshot and reaching temperatures near the surface of the sun. The force is so powerful it stuns or even kills small fish and crustaceans instantly, making the pistol shrimp one of the ocean's most explosive hunters.